One of the common questions we get is once somebody decides they're going to file a bankruptcy, should I tell my creditors that I'm filing a bankruptcy? It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter one way or the other. Here's why I say that. If you don't tell, so a lot of people say, I don't want to even pick up the phone. That's fine. As long as you're progressing through the bankruptcy and you're getting it filed fairly quickly, once you file that bankruptcy under section 362 of the bankruptcy code, it's going to enact something called an automatic stay, which is just a fancy way of saying it puts a freeze on all those collection attempts, people suing you, things like that. But you can, if you're saying, look, I'm picking up the phone and the creditor's on the other line, right, or is on the line and they're trying to talk to me about collecting on this debt, you can tell them, look, I'm filing a bankruptcy. Here's my attorney's information, and tell them to contact us if they have questions. What will happen then is they'll reach out to us and they'll verify that you have contacted us, that you have retained us and hired us to do the bankruptcy for you. And then once that has been done, most of the time, they'll put some notes in their system and they're going to back off a little bit. They're not required to. They can keep calling you every day if they want to. But most of the time, they'll back off because if your name's John Doe, they're looking for the next D on their list and they're going to contact that person instead of you because they think they can get money from that next person. And they think if you're filing a bankruptcy, they're probably not going to get the money from you. So that'll last for usually 30 days. They'll back off. But if you haven't filed the bankruptcy at that point in time, they'll usually start ramping it back up again. So do you need to tell a creditor that you're filing bankruptcy? You don't have to. But if you say, look, I'm pretty close to filing and I want to let them know so maybe they can back off and not call me quite as much, they're not required to, but most of them will.